In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location in your Shopify shipping settings. If you're selling products through Shopify, managing multiple locations can be crucial for optimizing your shipping process. Whether you're running a store out of your garage or coordinating shipments from several warehouses, adding locations can help streamline your operations and reduce shipping times, ultimately leading to greater customer satisfaction. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify platform by visiting the home page of your store's admin. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already. You'll see a series of menu options on the left-hand side of your screen that will guide you through various settings and features available for managing your online store. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of this menu where you'll see the Settings option. Click on it, and this will lead you into a more detailed settings interface. Now, this area contains all the foundational elements of your store's backend, so it's a good place to be familiar with. In this context, we're looking specifically for the Locations setting. This is where you manage all the physical or virtual places where you handle or ship your products from. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Locations option. Clicking on Locations will bring you to a new page that lists all the places currently associated with your store. It's quite an intuitive section as it neatly displays all existing locations, should there be any. In case you haven't added any locations yet, this is what you'll need to do next. Within the Locations interface, identify and click on All Locations. This selection will provide you with an overview of all available addresses or facilities linked to your store. To add a new location, simply click on Add Location. It's a straightforward button, and it's usually located at the top or side of the page, clearly marked for ease. When you click Add Location, a new form will appear, prompting you to enter the specifics of this new location. This includes the name, address, and any necessary contact information associated with it. Make sure that you fill out all the required fields, as this information is crucial for inventory and shipping calculations. Double-check the details to ensure they're accurate, then hit Save to finalize the addition of your new location. And there you have it, a newly added location ready to assist with managing your store's shipping. Incorporating multiple locations can significantly enhance efficiency and accuracy in fulfilling customer orders, making it a valuable capability within your Shopify toolkit. Thank you for following along today, and be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful. Happy selling!